We got to get him a chrome stack for sure. She looks good. The old John Deere. Hitting the shale pit for the first time. Boy, oh boy, what a moment. She digs, but not too good. Not a rock, not a fucking rock. Immense focus. How the fuck do you drive this thing?
Who's gonna win?
I think the camper. Howdy, howdy. Let's get rowdy. Oh. He made a mess. A great big mess.